Google is yet to announce the upcoming Pixel 9 series with a new speculated design and upgraded feature. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, as you know that Google is running ahead of its schedule as the Pixel 9 series is expected to be unveiling at the upcoming Made by Google event on August 13th. The rumor suggests that the Pixel 9 series will have 4 models, which include the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL and the 9 Pro Fold. As the leaks about the devices are circulating rapidly, we may have an idea of what is going to be announced at the August event. So in this video, we will be discussing what we are expected to see in the Pixel 9 series. So starting with the Google Pixel 9 series design, display and the camera, we already have talked about the Pixel 9 series will be coming with 4 models, all with different yet similar design and specification. With new devices, Google is expected to bring several design changes with a new camera module and an increased display size. The standard Pixel 9 model is expected to come with a 6.03 inches display. A leaked hands-on video has been coming for the Pixel 9 base model, which give us a pretty much good idea what the design is going to be. And one thing is for sure that the Pixel 9 series will be coming with a new horizontal camera bar with the curved edges, and these curved edges are going to be different from the last year. And we also see that the Pixel 9 series will be coming with a triple camera sensor on the backside with that hands-on video, and it's honestly going to be looking amazing. However, the display size of the Pro model may come with a 6.1 and a 6.7 inch respectively. Additionally, the back panel of the smartphone is expected to feature a horizontal camera bar with the curved edges, and it will be also featuring an adaptive touchscreen. In terms of the photography, while the rumors about the camera specs are very slim, it is speculated that the Pixel 9 include a triple camera setup instead of a dual camera sensor in the Pixel 8 model. It's also been leaked that the third camera sensor would be a telephoto camera. Now, moving forward towards the processor, software and battery, all the upcoming model of the Pixel 9 series are expected to be powered by Tensor G4 chipset. The chipset is expected to be more powerful than the last year Tensor G3 chipset, and it may include improved processing for the new AI features. Furthermore, the new chipset may provide user an improved speed and on-device AI capabilities, which is again a game-changing feature this year. And the Pixel 9 series is expected to be running the Android 15 variant, which was announced at the Google I/O event. For lasting performance, the smartphone will likely support a large battery size, which is around 5000 mAh. And for the charging capabilities, it is rumored that we might actually going to see the same charging capability as the last year Pixel 8 series. So in general, the Pixel 9 series will be bringing some major improvement in terms of the processor, and we also going to see a new camera module and camera sensor in the Pixel 9 series devices. Other than that, most of the specifications and the design language are going to be same as the last year Pixel 8 series. And you guys, these are some of the specifications that has been rumored. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about that? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.